Hi Megan, Steve Mosley here. It looks like Padlet, we're limited to just a few. It doesn't appear we have a subscription. But I do have an alternative that will allow you to make more, and it's very Padlet-like, and you can do that through Nearpod. Not sure if you're familiar with Nearpod, but it's pretty easy. So let me log in really quick. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in with my school Google account. If you don't have an account, you can just really easily create one. So once I log into Nearpod, I'm just going to go to Quick Launch, and you'll see it says Collaborative Board. So you'll just click on that, and just like Padlet, you'll kind of name your Padlet. So I'm going to go Test. I don't need a description, but I'll just put one Test. And then you just quick launch down here on the lower right. Now, the cool thing is, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll open up another tab. That's how the students can join. So they'll just go to join.nearpod.com and then enter that code, or you could copy the link and put it into your Google Classroom. I'm going to copy this link, but let me see here. Okay, so let me copy the link. And I'll open up another tab so you can see what it looks like from the student end. And again, it's just like Padlet. So the students will enter their name, join the lesson, and they're in. So let's see, they're going to say hi, and they'll post on the board. Now, I'll show you what these stars are here in just a second, but the student just wrote hi, and over here on the teacher, you can see the student name, and this will be only available to you. If you want, you can go in and change the options to where the students can see their names. Students are allowed to edit responses, and it even gives you the ability to approve student posts before they go up on the big board. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, I recommend taking a look at Nearpod. It's really easy to get into, sign up, very student and teacher friendly, and let me know if you would have any questions, okay? And let me see if there's anything else. Nope, we're good.